Hi and welcome back to another unboxing video. This time we've gone over to Space Marines. This is for the Warhammer 40,000. Again, additional reinforcements for your Battle of Edros starter set. This box contains 3 miniatures. I think I picked this up again for about £3. This is at a local game store again. Again, the box showing you the figures when painted up. I'll have a quick look inside. One sprue containing your 3 Marines there with their backpacks and guns. Great detail again. The camera's picking all this up for you. So yeah. Again, another bargain. Set of instructions again. Pretty straightforward. The usual pamphlet there, obviously showcasing the others in the collection. A bit of a painting sample there, and your 4 bases. So yeah, Warhammer 40,000 Space Marines for £3. A bargain, I think. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.